Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Microsoft Report Builder. So let's get started. For this, you require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to type Report Builder download. You'll get this first link, download Microsoft Report Builder. Click on this link. Now, if you scroll down, here you will get to see the version, file name, that is reportbuilder.msi, okay, file size, and the date published. If you want, you can also check the system requirements over here. Okay, so now let's click on this download button. This will download the setup file. Once the setup is downloaded, click on open. I'll minimize the web browser. You'll get the screen, welcome to Microsoft Report Builder setup wizard. Click on next. I accept the terms and click on next. This is the default directory where the software will get installed. Click on next. Click on install. And it has got installed. Then click on finish. Now to start this, you can click on the search and type Report Builder, and this will be the icon, the second one, Microsoft Report Builder. Okay, if you click on this, this will be the software which will get installed. Once you start this software, you will get this welcome screen like getting started. You can click on new report, new dataset. You can open existing report. Okay, now click on this close. Let's maximize this, and this is where you can create paginated reports in the software. So this Microsoft Report Builder, it is a free Microsoft tool used to create paginated reports for SQL Server reporting services, Power BI report server, and Power BI paginated reports. It is designed for reports that you need precise layouts for printing or exporting to PDF, Excel, Word, or CSV. So through this software, what you can do, you can connect to different data sources. Over here, if you can do the right click, you can add the data source. Okay, so you can connect to different data sources. That could be a database. Okay, you can also create matrices. If you click over here, view, you'll get to see the different windows, properties, parameters. Okay, over here you get to see the different tools. You can have a table, matrix, list, and different kinds of charts. Okay, watch, map, data bar. There are a lot of options. To summarize the features included in this software, you can connect to different data source like SQL Server, Oracle, ODBC, analysis services, and other data sources over here. Okay, then you can also create table matrices charts by using tools provided. Okay, gauge, maps, and sub reports. You can using report parameters over here. Okay, this is the parameter section. So you can use report parameters, expressions, and custom formatting in your reports. It also allows you to group. Over here you can see the column groups and the row groups. Okay, you can do grouping, sorting, filtering, and adding totals in your reports. Okay, then you can also export the report to PDF, Excel, Word, CSV, XML, and other formats. So we'll see all those how to do it in later videos. So that's all for now. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.